Okay, the final thing we're going to do with Access is learn how to export the data out of Access and put it into something like Excel. So open up your climate database, close down your home screen, go to Create, and we're going to create a query. So click Query Wizard. What this does is it joins tables together for us. So we're just going to have a simple query. We're going to first click on this table drop down list and choose table temp, and we're going to move across year, continent and value, and then we're going to join that to table CO2, and we're going to insert the level. Click next, make sure it says detail, click next again and click finish. That's done. Hopefully all of your values will be in that you've recorded right up till 2020. You're then going to go to external data, click Excel. Here you're going to press browse and you're going to go to your U drive, MSC folder and then click save. And what we're going to do is we're going to export it with all our formatting, and we want it to open the file after we've exported it. Click OK. Now click close here and Excel will open up in a second. There we go. Now at the minute all this information isn't completely useful for us because it's all one after the other. So instead we're going to use something called a pivot table to join it all together so it makes a bit more sense. So what we now do is we highlight the first three columns. 1, 2, 3. We go to Insert, Pivot Table. Click OK. And at the minute it'll be blank because we've got to tell it what to do. So we want to tell it to use all three values, but if we have a look down here, we don't want the year and the continents in the rows. So we're going to grab temp continent and turn that into columns. And what this has now done is really clearly sorted out our information so that all the information about Africa is in one column, Antarctica is in the next column, Asia is in the next column, etc. Now I'm going to go back to our original sheet, so press sheet 1, there we go, and then click table query 2. We're going to make a graph, but at the minute if you have a look at the date values, whenever you click on a date this little warning message comes up. So what we need to do is highlight all of our dates, click the little warning message and tell it to convert it to number, because at the minute that's a text value. Once you've highlighted all of them, hold on to Control on the keyboard, highlight all of your CO2 levels as well, go to Insert, Recommended Charts, choose the top one, which will be a scatter graph with lines on it, and click OK. And this will show a really nice graph once you've got all of your information in there, showing how the CO2 level has been changing over the last 100 years. And that's it.